Take that, take that.
Oh, this nigga, the baby oil on me. What the?
You never catch me, daddy. Alright, for everyone at home that just saw me passed out in the alley off of the Galaxy Gas, that should have been a wake-up call. If you somewhere in the world doing Galaxy Gas right now, I'm not gonna lie, you need to stop that shit. Cause real shit, that could be you, but you might not wake up. And I know some of y'all don't want to die right now before you are forgiven for your sins, because you definitely going to hell. I'm just saying. Now, I know some of y'all are probably wondering what the Galaxy Gas is. You're watching this video thinking it's just some shit that you in hell. And you're right, but it's way deeper than that. And how these niggas got away with selling this legally is crazy. So I brought my helper Tyrone with me today. Yo, hey viewers. Shut the fuck up, Tyrone. Now we about to break this shit down. Now first and foremost, what the fuck is Galaxy Gas? Why is it trending? And why is it legal? Now, Galaxy Gas is actually a company that makes whipped cream chargers with nitrous oxide. I know some of y'all are wondering, yo, Sam, what the fuck is nitrous oxide? Well, that's that shit that they use in dentist's office to make you laugh and shit. Yeah, that shit that gets you high as hell and you don't know what the fuck is going on? Yeah, that nitrous oxide. And the reason why it's legal is because as long as it's used for culinary reasoning, I put that in heavy quotes, it's okay because it's for food, right? So why the fuck did they make their whole brand this colorful ass whippet container and they named it Galaxy Gas? Yo, hey viewers, this your boy Tyrone, son. I know he said I'm his helper, son, but I'm really just here to translate this shit for y'all at home that might be a little bit more on the stupid side, like your boy Tyrone be off the honey pack, son, so his brain cells already fried. I'm not gonna lie, son. You know that imagery they be using in schools to scare you to not do drugs? They say this your brain on drugs, and it's just an egg frying? Well, that's Tyrone's brain with the yolk going, son. I'm not gonna lie, but that's besides the point. Basically, what Shen is saying is that nitrous oxide shit, they selling that shit to the youth because they saying that shit is okay to use. Real shit. Now, I know y'all are probably like, all right, well, Sin, what's so dangerous about nitrous oxide? Well, it reduces the amount of oxygen reaching your brain. Literally doing nitrous oxide probably isn't going to change a lot of y'all's perspective because most of y'all at home are probably fucking idiots already. I know that I probably just offended a lot of my viewer base, but y'all know Sin just be playing. Anyways, this shit can lead to you being dizzy, lightheaded, your judgment being impaired, and if you inhale a lot for a long time, well, you can get oxygen deprivation and die. All Sin is saying is when you put this shit in your mouth, you probably gonna fall out. Real shit. Now that y'all know, you know, that this can lead to loss of consciousness and headaches, nausea, vomiting, a very quick rise in blood pressure, which leads to heart attack. Now that you know all of these things could happen to you, I hope that you'll stop. But if you won't, it's okay, because I'm gonna go show you some guys that actually do this shit. So me and Tyrone, we're here on the scene of what seems to be the local hangout of some local YNs. Okay, let's go over here and talk to them and see if we can get a perspective on this Galaxy Gas.
They some bitches, they'll talk about you but never say how they felt. Fuck your gang and if you rock them, you don't catch, just keep it real.
What the fuck? Hey, bro, respectfully, I am not trying to disrespect you right now, but I'm not gonna lie, I walked over here and you acting like a stripper right now because I'ma up the pole. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, son. Yo, this motherfucker hit you with your own punchline, son. And this motherfucker got the ski mask on and he's got the gun in my face. I'ma shut the fuck up, son. All right, hold on. Before y'all shoot us, though, I got something that y'all might be interested in.
Just let yourself, baby.
I'll give y'all this whipping, but only if y'all let me interview you. Now, all right, twin. That sounds like a good deal to me, twin. That sound like a good deal to y'all? Hell yeah, twin.
Let me not on your phone.
Alright, so I just want to ask y'all, like, when y'all do the Galaxy Gas, what does it feel like? Man, I ain't gonna lie to you, twin, that shit feels skibbity crazy, like real shit. Skibbity crazy? What the fuck is that? I mean, like, when I take it, it kind of make me feel wild, like as soon as I inhale that motherfucker, bro, I'll be high as hell instantly. Kind of feel like I'm levitating into a new world or some shit. Into a new world? Nigga, do you think this the Little Mermaid? I forgot the y'all. All right,